You say hi. Brandy, go. Can you say hi? You're getting too close. Can you say all gone? Can you say bye-bye? Good job. Can you say dada? Dada. How about kitty? Can you say kitty? No. Are they upstairs sleeping? They go night-night? You want to eat? Kitties went night-night? They ate, and then they went night-night?